Hey sweet babies, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. If you like fragrance, vlogs, makeup, skincare, real people, and real talk, definitely subscribe to my channel. So I have a lot of new subscribers and a lot of you guys are just kind of getting into niche fragrances. I have a lot of niche in my collection, so a lot of niche fragrances is what I talk about on my channel. But some of you guys are just getting started in niche fragrances and you don't really know where to start. It's summertime, so you're looking for new fragrances that are summertime fragrances, but niche summertime fragrances. So I feel like these are great summertime niche beginner friendly fragrances that are going to be kind of similar to designer fragrances but still a little bit more niche and kind of, you know, get you going towards that direction. 100 Silent Ways by Nisha. I feel like this is usually on everybody's beginner friendly niche fragrance list because it really is easy to love, easy to wear, and easy to get to know when you're coming out of designer fragrances. So this one has tuberose, so it has kind of a sweet kind of bubblegummy floral tuberose in it, and you also get some peach for a little bit of fruitiness. The performance on this is really good. I feel like this is a nice daytime type of fragrance that you can wear in the summertime, but you can also pull this out at night if you like to wear something a little more fun, flirty, and fruity in the summertime. This one is more like floral, a little fruity, but it does have a little elegance to it. So I think 100 Silent Ways is a good maybe nighttime or, you know, girls night out, maybe even date night type of fragrance if you're looking for a beginner niche summer fragrance. Must Therapy by Initio is for my girls that are looking for something a little more clean, fresh. You know, this has bergamot in it, so it has citruses in it, but it's clean, it's fresh, it's like musky, just like soft white clean musk, a little sandalwood in here, some black currant, but it's not really very fruity. You get just enough citruses, just enough of the black currant, but you get that musky, soft, you know, kind of skin like feel to it. It's fresh, it's clean, it's one of those, you don't want florals, you don't want sweet, you don't want all of that, you just want something clean and fresh. I would go with Must Therapy. I feel like Creed Windflowers is a great introduction into niche fragrances. Now I did hear when this came out, a lot of people were saying it smells like Coco Mademoiselle. I don't feel like it smells like Coco Mademoiselle, but I feel like if you like Coco Mademoiselle, you would like this too. It's got jasmine, it's got tuberose, orange blossom, you get some rose, praline to make it sweet, a little peach to make it sweet, and it's just a great sweet, thick, dense, rich floral, and I just love it for summer. I feel like this has an elegance to it. This is like grown up type of floral. You know, this isn't kitty, girly, you know, playful. This is like grown up, I'm getting dressed type of womanly type of floral, and it's thick and sweet and dense and heavy, and I just love it. The performance on it is really, really good, and I feel like this is great if you like sweet, thick, dense florals. You want to dress up, you're going to a wedding or somewhere important throughout the day. Like, this is perfect for that. Mojave Goes by Byredo is hands down my favorite Byredo. Like, I just love this down. It smells so good, clean, floral. If you like a clean, fresh, soapy, almost soapy type of floral, like, this is perfect. But and it also has like a watery nature to it. Like, it just smells like just florals that are light and airy, but they have that like dew on them. It just smells so good. I really get a lot of the magnolia in here. Like, the magnolia is just so pretty, so clean, so fresh. It's a little sweetness in here. Like, I love Mojave Ghost. It's perfect for hot weather, especially if you love a floral. This is the perfect floral for summer. Sunset Hour is definitely perfect for summer. Definitely a great beginner niche friendly fragrance for sure. You get peach, you get ginger, you get raspberry. It's giving all the fruitiness, playfulness that you need. Like, it just really does. But it's not, I wouldn't say it's juvenile at all. Like, I wear it throughout the day, and this is definitely one of my most complimented Goldfield and Banks fragrances. Like, it's so pretty, just so easy to love, so easy to wear, and you can dress it up. You wear it throughout the day. You can wear it to an event throughout the day. You can definitely wear it to lunch and brunch. It's all of the things. It's definitely giving you, even though it's called Sunset Hour, this is something I wear before the sun sets, and it's perfect for that. I love it. So if you like girly, kind of fruity, fun, playful fragrances, this is perfect, and it will get you compliments. Nolita by number 9. If you want compliments, girl, just go ahead and get this. Just go ahead and get it. The tangerine gives you definitely smell the tangerine tangerine like right off the top, and it's like a juicy tangerine, but not too much. It's not giving tangerine boy like, you know, by Fleur, but you definitely get the tangerine. The freesia kind of gives it a kind of a watery summertime nature. You get a little lily, you get a little amber. Like, this is so good. It's so easy to wear, so easy to love. Definitely one of my favorite Bond No. 9 fragrances for summer. It's a daytime fragrance, and I just really enjoy it. And this is definitely one of my top complimented Bond No. 9 fragrances. So if you have been interested in Bond No. 9 and you're just coming out of designer fragrances, you want something niche, girl, this one, Nolita, you have to try. Marbella by Carner Barcelona. I feel like this is such a pretty, feminine, girly type of scent. It's got black currant, you get the peach in the base, but you definitely get the florals. I get the rose, I get the peony, and I feel like you really get more of the florals with just a touch of the black currant and the peach. So it's not really a fruity floral, it's more like a floral fruity fragrance, if that makes sense. But yeah, I love this. It definitely gives you like an aquatic feel, of course, how the bottle looks, and I just love that. Now this one I feel like you do kind of have to top up with throughout the day. It's not like super long lasting or super beast mode, but I don't mind with this. Like, I just think it's so pretty, so easy to wear. Definitely a perfect beginner niche friendly fragrance for sure. Peregrina by Tamine. This is so pretty, somewhat elegant. It has powdery notes in it, so you definitely get the powderiness. You get caramel, you get rose, you get a little bit of amber, because I smell something really warm and creamy behind the caramel. Like, this is just so pretty. I feel like this is easy to love, easy to wear. If you're going into niche fragrances, this will be something you will want to pull out for the evening time, date night, because it's just nice and sweet and somewhat elegant, and I really enjoy it. This was on my perfume tray last week, and I just really enjoyed it when I wore it. It's not a loud fragrance. It's definitely more in your scent bubble, more close to you, but it's very much so sweet and elegant and very pretty. Birth of Venus by Argos is definitely a beginner niche friendly, but it's definitely going more in the niche realm. Okay, so this is a fruity fragrance, but it has a little more going on with it. So it's fruity with the bergamot and the peach, has some raspberry in there, so you definitely get the fruity aspects of it, but you also get florals, a little chocolate, a little amber. So you get all of that in here. So this is definitely giving a grown-up type of fruity. This isn't like girly playful. This is definitely more of a grown woman type of fruity fragrance for summer, for sure. So this is even something I would wear in the summer at night. You can definitely pull this off, because the florals, not the florals, but the fruits in here and the chocolate and the amber kind of give it a thick denseness, and I just love this fragrance. I feel like the performance on it is pretty good, and this is definitely one of my favorite Argos fragrances. Lastly is 103 by Bon Perfumer, and this smells so good. This is for my yellow floral lovers. If you like yellow florals, actually yellow and white florals mixed together, it's like the perfect blend. So you get some tiare flower and some frangipani, some jasmine, some neroli. So you get your white and yellow florals all mixed in there. But the kicker to this one is that hibiscus. I love the addition of the hibiscus. It's not super strong in here. It's not like you can just pinpoint it and say, oh, that's hibiscus, but I feel like it's something in here that gives it a little twist. And also the sand. The sand gives it like a warmness to the fragrance. Yeah, I really enjoy this. This is a really nice floral. It has something that smells like it could be a little fruity in there, but I'm not sure what that is. But it's definitely giving a nice blend of yellow and white floral. So this is like a creamy kind of floral that you want to wear around water, around the beach or something like that. Like, I just love the way this smells. So those are 10 niche beginner friendly fragrances in my collection for summer. Y'all let me know down in the comments, what are some niche beginner friendly fragrances that you guys think are great for summertime? Let us know down in the comments. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, comment, share, and of course subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.